Cyber Monday deals will start this weekend. Although Cyber Monday isn't till November 28th, we're now just a few days away from the biggest retail holiday of the year. In the past, retailers like Best Buy, Amazon, and Walmart have used the weekend after Thanksgiving to launch early Cyber Monday deals. This year, we expected the sales to be more aggressive than ever. OLED TVs, for instance, can be purchased for as low as $569 right now. Meanwhile, big screen 4K LCD TVs are selling for as little as $188. Apple devices have also seen record price drops. Apple's newest devices like the Apple Watch 8 and iPad 2022 are seeing discounts of $50 off the base models. Tech items aren't the only devices seeing big discounts. Links to all deals mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Amazon 65-inch Omni 4K QLED TV was $799, now $549 at Amazon. Just released in October, Amazon's new Omni 4K QLED Fire TV is on sale for the first time for just $549. Unlike the 2021 model, which used LED LCD technology, this 2022 revamped supports a QLED display, which should give it a wider color gamut and uptick in brightness contrast. It features HDR10, HLG, HDR10+, adaptive Dolby Vision IQ support, full array local dimming, and 4 HDMI ports. You also get Alexa support baked in. LG C2 55-inch OLED 4K TV was $1,599, now $1,296 at Amazon. The excellent LG C2 OLED TV is still on sale at Amazon and Best Buy. This stunning television combines exceptional picture quality with a slick design. It's also ideal for gamers with a 120Hz refresh rate and offers all easy access to all the streaming services you could need. Nespresso sale, deals from $118 at Amazon. Amazon is knocking up to 40% off a wide range of Nespresso machines. After discount, deals start from $118. Not sure which model to get? The Nespresso Virtual Plus is on sale for $118. We named it the best Nespresso machine you can get because it makes both coffee and espresso in a variety of sizes from single, double espresso shots to 5-ounce and 8-ounce cups of coffee. It's designed for use with Nespresso Virtuo capsules only. Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven XL 20 liters was $199, now $119 at Amazon. This toaster oven from Chefman comes with 9 cooking functions including bake, air fry, toast, convection bake, slow cook, bagel, broil, warm, and dehydrate, so the recipe possibilities are endless. You can set the temperature yourself from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the large 20-liter capacity can fit a whole roast chicken, so it's great for family dinners. Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Blender was $549, now $449 at Amazon. This powerful blender has a variable speed control, digital timer, and pulse setting for all your tasty smoothies and blends. Thanks to its built-in wireless technology, it can also be paired with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which includes 17 programs and 500+ recipes. MacBook Air was $1,199, now $1,049 at Amazon. The MacBook Air M2 boasts a load of new features. It includes a larger 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display, Apple's new M2 with 8-core GPU, 8GB of RAM, 256GB SSD, 1080p FaceTime camera, 4-speaker system with spatial audio, and MagSafe charging. In our MacBook Air M2 review, we called it the best laptop and unbeatable combo of performance, design, and battery life. MacBook Air was $999, now $799 at Amazon. Sure, it's the previous gen machine, but the MacBook Air M1 is still one of the best laptops around. It features Apple's blazing fast 7-core M1 CPU, which in our test is absolutely phenomenal. It also comes with 8GB of RAM and this 256GB SSD. It's now on sale for $799, which is the cheapest it's been all year. By comparison, Best Buy has it at full price. 10.9-inch iPad Air was $599, now $519 at Amazon. Lowest price. The 2022 iPad Air is powered by Apple's M1 processor, which features an 8-core CPU that delivers up to 60% faster performance than the previous gen iPad Air. Other new features include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera that supports center stage and 5G support. The tablet features a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, 12-megapixel wide camera, USB-C charging, and Magic Keyboard support. MacBook Pro 14-inch was $1,999, now $1,599 at Amazon. Lowest price. The 2021 MacBook Pro supports Apple's M1 Pro CPU, which delivers 8 more GPU cores, a better media engine, and more memory bandwidth than the already incredible M1 chip. It's also Apple's first 14-inch MacBook Pro featuring a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED display with 3024 by 1984 resolution. Other specs include 16GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD. You also get 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI port, SD-XC card slot, and a MagSafe 3 port. It's now at its lowest price ever. Apple Studio Display was $1,599, now at $1,499 at Amazon. $1,000 off! The Editor's Choice Apple Studio Display is hands down the best monitor for your Mac. It's also the priciest. In our Apple Studio Display review, we said it has an excellent camera, fantastic speaker setup, and gorgeous 27-inch 5K screen. It delivers a lot of value of Apple's $5,000 Pro Display XDR in a much more affordable package. Even more so now that it's on sale for the first time ever. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 was $699, now $549 at Amazon. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 is one of the best laptops you'll find. It's also the first Chromebook to pack a QLED display, which makes the panel bright and vibrant enough for just about any use. It features a 13.3-inch QLED 1080p LCD, 2.1 GHz core, i3-10110U CPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB eMMC. Razer Kraken Gaming Headset was $79, now $39 at Amazon. This top Razer gaming headset packs gel-infused ear cushions and a noise-isolating microphone to keep you comfortable and on top of your game for hours on end. It's currently at its lowest price ever. Fire TV Stick 4K with Alexa voice remote was $49.99, now $24.99 at Amazon. Save $25. If you're looking to stream your content in 4K resolution, Amazon has a massive 50% discount on the Fire TV Stick 4K, which brings the price down to a record low of $24.99 ahead of Cyber Monday. The best-selling Fire Stick allows you to stream your favorite content in 4K Ultra HD resolution with support for Dolby Vision, HDR, HDR10+, and Amazon Alexa for hands-free control. Apple AirPods was $159, now $79 at Amazon. One of our favorite deals ahead of Cyber Monday this year is the Apple AirPods 2 on sale for just $79 at Amazon. That matches the record low we saw during Prime Day and is a fantastic price for a pair of premium earbuds. If you want some new AirPods and don't need them to be the latest model, this deal is highly recommended. Apple iPad 10.2 2021 was $329, now $269 at Amazon. Save $60. Amazon's deals ahead of Cyber Monday has the Apple's entry-level iPad on sale for $269. While it's not the speediest tablet in the range, a decent screen, quality design, and relatively speedy chip makes this the iPad that suits most people's needs the best. For streaming, shopping, and doing a few light work tasks, it's a great choice, and today's deal is just $30 more than the record low price. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker was $169.99, now $99.95 at Amazon. Instant Pots are always big sellers over Cyber Monday and Black Friday, and Amazon's early sale has the Instant Pot Pro on sale for $99.95, just $20 more than the record low. The 6-quart pressure cooker features 10 appliances in one, including slow cook, sous vide, saute pan, rice, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake baker, and steamer. Apple AirPods Pro 2 was $249, now $199 at Amazon. Save $50. The early Cyber Monday deal brings the all-new AirPods Pro down to the lowest price we've ever seen. You'll get improved audio quality and noise cancellation, plus a wireless charging case that generates more than 24 hours of battery life. Meta Quest 2 with 2 free games was $399, now $349. Yes, we're still mad they raised the price, but the Meta Quest 2 is simply the best VR headset out there. For a limited time, you can get a new one at a discounted price with 2 free games included. Meta and participating retailers are offering the 128GB model for $349 instead of $399, while the 256GB version is down to $429 from $499. In our Meta Quest 2 review, we call the Meta Quest 2 the best VR headset you can buy. Asus Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop was $1,399, now $899.99 at Best Buy. Save $500. Easily one of the best laptop deals in the entire Best Buy sale. The Asus Zephyrus G14 has never been cheaper. This is one of our favorite gaming laptops thanks to its fantastic combination of portability and power. This particular model features a speedy RTX 3060 graphics card, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and a Ryzen 7 5800HS processor. All in all, this is a fantastic price for a machine with these specs, and the fact that the G14 features a lovely premium design and compact form factor makes it even better value. Samsung Galaxy S22 series up to $225 off, plus up to $600 off with trade-in at Samsung. Samsung's pre-Cyber Monday deals are off to a great start with a nice promotion on the Galaxy S22 series of smartphones. All 3 devices are available with a flat upfront discount of up to $225 and a hefty trade-in rebate of up to $600 on the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. The Ultra has an enhanced trade-in rebate of up to $600, so it's definitely worth upgrading to the more premium device if you've got the dough and a highly valued trade lined up. Samsung 75-inch 4K Smart Tizen TV was $849.99, now $579.99 at Best Buy. Save $270. This early Cyber Monday deal has brought this stunning Samsung 75-inch 4K TV on sale for $579.99. It's the lowest price we've ever seen, and it's incredible value for a 75-inch 4K TV under $600. Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni Series 4K UHD Smart TV was $1,000.99, now $749.99 at Best Buy. Save $350. Looking for a big screen display on a budget this Cyber Monday? Here's one of the best 75-inch 4K TV deals we've spotted in the early deals so far. This Amazon 4K Smart Set includes the Fire OS for easy streaming, plus Dolby Vision, HDR10, and an Amazon Alexa built-in for hands-free control. Samsung 50-inch Q80B Series QLED 4K UHD Smart TV was $999.99, now $799.99 at Samsung. Save $200. Samsung's early Cyber Monday TV deals include a massive discount of up to $1,000 on the excellent 2022 Q80B Series QLED. The Q80B series is the most premium of the non-Neo QLED range and, as you'd expect, features an incredibly powerful 4K quantum processor, full array backlighting, and an ADS panel for unparalleled viewing angles. Hisense 65-inch U8H Mini LED 4K TV was $1,399, now $899 at Best Buy. Our pick for the best value TV of 2022 just dropped even lower courtesy of this epic deal at Best Buy. The 65-inch Hisense U8H is currently on sale and includes a wealth of new TV tech alongside a 4K ULED display and a 120Hz refresh rate. If you're after value and performance, it doesn't get better than this. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL was $169, now $129 at Best Buy. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL offers a large 5.5 quart capacity, which makes it the ideal pick for larger families that need to cook several pounds of food at once. It can air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate your favorite foods. Lenovo Ideapad 1i laptop was $249, now $99 at Best Buy. Best Buy's current deals include $150 off this Lenovo Ideapad laptop with a 14-inch HD display, Intel Celeron N4020 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB eMMC storage. It's an ideal low-cost pick for everyday use or light work tasks, and thanks to its 10 hours of battery life, it's a great device for use on the go as well. Let us know in the comments down below which deal you're going to get. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future Cyber Monday sales video, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.